Need help on how to choose the right protective packaging? In this video, we will show you the different solutions you can choose from so you can decide on the right one for you. Whether it's packaging paper, air cushion packaging, foam or loose fill chips, all of our cushioning materials ensure complete protection of your products, in transit or storage, and will suit both regular and odd-shaped products. Starting with our ever-popular FillPak paper system. The eco-friendly perforated FillPak paper can be efficiently fed through our FillPak manual machine, or alternatively, by using the FillPak electronic machine. If you have industrial packing demands, then our PadPak rental range could suit your needs. Each machine creates highly efficient packaging cushioning pads from 1 or 2-ply paper. Thanks to its patented fold and stitch process, these pads are extremely strong yet flexible, with outstanding void fill and shock absorbency properties to protect a wide range of products. These include industrial and automotive parts and sensitive electronic items, as well as general fragile goods. As well as the paper reams for the PadPak rental range, we have a choice of other paper-based solutions, such as our Geami Bubblewrap paper. As for our air cushioning, we have a range of different air pillows to choose from. Mini-Pack R-Air pillow packaging is great for industrial use, as it can produce on-demand airbags in a variety of different cushioning styles, offering huge space-saving advantages. Whereas the rental NewAir IB inflatable machine creates strong bubble pads with superior air retention, making them ideal for reuse. Suitable for all packing environments, and comes with a host of other convenient accessories, such as a stand and foot pedal. Alternatively, our FillAir rapid fill packaging machine can be easily operated and is great for packing a variety of objects. If you want strong, lightweight void fill, then our Bubblewrap range guarantees protection and is resistant to tears. Our rolls come in either small or large bubbles, and due to its lightweight can save you costs in shipping. For custom-fitted protection, we offer expanding foam packaging, which guarantees an all-round protection. As the bags self-inflate, they mould a secure, snug-fitted cushion around your product. They are perfect for fragile objects, for example electrical goods, and come in a variety of different sizes. Finally, if it's loose fill you're after, then we can provide 2 different types of space fillers. Our Loose Fill Bio is an innovative protective packaging product that is completely eco-friendly. It is made entirely from starch material, garden compostable, is water-soluble, and leaves no toxic substances or pollutants in the soil. Due to their tried and tested S-shape, the packaging peanuts interlock to create a coherent cushion that stabilizes your goods. Made mostly of air, it is the perfect lightweight void fill solution. Or with our other option, vermiculite void fill, you have a natural substance so is completely degradable, ideal for more dangerous goods due to its high absorbency and resistance to chemicals, and also acts as an excellent shock absorber, saving your goods from any knocks during transit. For more information on our void fill range, go to packagingtobuy.co.uk or click on the link below.